Welcome to English in a Minute. A rat is a small animal that can be bothersome inside homes and also spread diseases.
Pack rat.
Is this an actual type of rat? Let's listen.
Have you seen Ashley's desk lately?
Yes, I have. She is such a pack rat.
I know. There is stuff everywhere. Old shoes, magazines, computer parts. I even saw a newspaper from the 1960s.
A pack rat refers to someone who likes to keep things instead of getting rid of them. Often, this person collects things they do not really need. Another term for a pack rat is a hoarder. And that's English in a Minute.